Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome back to a new video on Pepe. Because this is one of the only relatively bullish cryptos still left. All right, so I'm thinking about just covering Pepe daily. Let me know what you think about that. But in this video, we'll do a full update. In general, the situation, I would say, is still the same, but we'll do a full update. We'll talk about what's most likely to happen, what we need to see as well, because right now Pepe gained a lot of momentum, of course, last week, and since then, compared to other cryptos, it's been holding up fairly well, all right? And we talked about this yesterday as well. But purely if you take a look at the price, most cryptos last week did do some sort of a breakout, and that's also what you see that Pepe did. Pepe broke above this level right here at 65,000, and after that continued that bullish momentum. But most cryptos, after the dump we had on Wednesday last week with Bitcoin, most cryptos fully retraced that breakout. All right. So for example, if you look at Fetch AI, which I covered in my last video, that also got a significant bullish breakout, but instantly dropped down below that with the bearish momentum. So that's not great. And right now you can see, look, the momentum that Pepe has also is still much higher than last week. So that's great as well. However, so there are some positive signs that we are still holding this level, that we still have more momentum. But what you can see as well is that right now the market is not great. All right, there's Bitcoin has been falling. There's been a massive sell-off in the last couple of days, at least for Bitcoin, and there's no indication yet that will turn. Now, if that continues to happen, then at some point of time, Pepe is also going to lose this major support level at 65 and 6200. So that's kind of the danger, and that's kind of the thing that we're looking at right now, and that we have to see, like, can we actually hold that level? And most importantly, can we actually see some bullish momentum return to the markets in time for a coin like Pepe, but also a coin like Bonk, which is also still performing relatively well, in time for those cryptos to actually continue this bullish market structure? Because if you talk about the technical structure right now, what you can see is that we have this momentum right here, and this could just be a bearish flag, which is usually continued with another rally. So that's something we'll have to see. At this point of time, what you do see, and that's also in combination with the market circumstances, what I'm worried about, what you can see is that we are losing momentum right here. Basically, since that sell-off the 24th of April, but especially since the 25th of April, because Pepe actually did gain some momentum again the day after, we've been losing momentum. So what's most likely right now is that this short-term bearish structure that we have, whether it's the start of a downtrend or whether it's just a bullish flag, it's most likely that will continue. And that's also what we talked about yesterday, right? So the main support level right now is that level around 6,500, and it's most likely will drop down there. It could be that we have some sort of a move up to the top of this move down first, but we'll drop down to that level. Now it's a major technical support level, so I expect support. But the only way we can hold that and eventually also rally up to 8,200 and 8,500 again, the only way we can do that is if Bitcoin turns relatively bullish. All right, because if Bitcoin turns relatively bullish, then Pepe can probably gain some momentum from that level, and in general there's more capital inflow for meme coins, and then we can actually do something like that. And unfortunately, even though I think the technical situation right now for Pepe is bullish, I just don't see it. All right, Bitcoin in my eyes looks very weak. That could change, and I'll be the first to tell you in my market update later this afternoon if that's the case. But right now I think it's more likely that we'll hold that level, we'll consolidate on top of that, but ultimately we'll drop down below that again to drop back down towards support levels down here. Now I want to be wrong, but if I just look at the situation short term for Pepe right now, which especially means the momentum we're losing, in combination with the situation in the market, this seems most likely. But those are my thoughts. That's at least what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.